Good morning, YouTube. My name is Kyle. You have made it to Obsessed Auto, and this morning I'm a little tired. But we're going to do the darn thing. We're going to Cars and Coffee. It is all the way on the other side of Wichita. So we're going to take the buggy, freshly polished, freshly detailed, freshly coated, about an hour, roughly. See if we can make the flake show up. Oh yeah. Dude, this is like boat paint. Like, anytime I look at a picture of it, it just looks lime green. It is, it's a little bit more in depth than that. Got the fatties in the bag, 295 50 15s. 1600cc engine. Dual single Webers. Electronic ignition, 4-speed manual. I don't know what final drive is, but I should be able to go about 70. I think. It's fine. If I don't make it, we got this footage. So if everything goes right, I'll see you guys on the way to Cars and Coffee. Guys, so like 45 minutes later, this thing does go 75 miles an hour. It beat the ever-living shit out of me. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
guys can tell, major change of scenery. We went from cars and coffee to the interior of a Lexus in a totally separate town than where I reside and where Cars and Coffee was. So just finishing up a couple things, running some errands, just stopped at O'Reilly's, got some parts, getting ready to go on a Saturday night service run for a customer of mine. Hopefully they allow me to film this time. So anyways, that's what I've got for you. If you did like this video, please slam that like button. If you did like this content, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. I would definitely appreciate that. We've been running leaps and bounds since I've made my appearances and watched JR Go's videos. I am forever grateful, not only for the opportunity to work on these vehicles for him and help him out, but you know, for the shout out and exposure for this channel, because it's driving me to keep putting a camera in my face even when I'm driving down the road. By the way, look at that, 139,872 miles in a 1999. Dude, that deserves a like right there. So just, yeah, come on with the like. So yeah, anyways, that's all I've got for you guys. Till I see you in the next video, I hope you have a very great day.